actually hate this level. And it's a ship extreme.
Bro, Zenith.
Yeah.
Oh, Blue Gamer.
So, Blue Gamer, I was about to kick you for being AFK too.
I was literally just randomly, I just decided to try see if I could do anything in hot red at 1.25 times speed. And I got to the drop.
Nice.
Fucking not the best to cover, but...
I've died to 93 times and 89 once.
Yeah. I've died, I think my worst deaths were 90, 91 and 96.
I fucking beat it.
Oh, nice.
Beat it.
You have no idea how fucking nervous I got past the fucking 72 click.
I was expecting it to be like, I'm gonna fucking kill someone.
I got past 72 and my heart just